Hi guys, uh, I would like to upload a short video on this Infinity Flasher, my own version that I've made, and this will literally keep on going for a long time. Uh, no need to change batteries and nothing. Literally, I think it is gonna keep on running for at least say the battery, NiCad battery last till, and I've heard these batteries have a long life and they withstand a long abusal rate. So this is the circuit diagram with all the components listed, and this one over here has been running directly of a 1.5 volt battery, and as you can see the flash rate of which it has been going on, and this one is the same circuit implemented but with the solar cells. Basically these are uh, 4 solar cells uh, coupled together for 3 volts, and this one over here is a super capacitor, 2.7 volt 100 uf, 2 super capacitor, and below there is nothing, as you can see, uh, and the circuit is implemented over here, and these LEDs have been glowing for over like this for over 2 weeks now. I've made this 2 weeks ago, and this circuit, the flasher circuit, I've made it 2 weeks ago, uh, and it has been glowing like this day and night 24/7 for a long time. It's been 2 weeks, uh, and I've just kept it in a room with adequate sunlight or room light entering, as these solar cells are only 3 volts. If you want to use it in a bad lighting condition, I would recommend you to use solar cells above 6 to 12 volts. A one super capacitor of 100 farad is more than enough to keep this thing going on. So leave alone that NiCad battery to 1.2 volts. It alone, a single 1.5 volt battery, I think it will last for around minimum of 6 months. The current draw is uh, very less. The circuit is uh, implementation of, I think it's a joule thief type circuit implementation. It doesn't draw a huge amount of current. I think a single cell 1.5 volt AA cell will last for around a minimum of 6 months. uh, and if you guys can improve this circuit, please, I would be more than happy to improve this circuit further. I'm not into so this one, as you can see, and a single LED is over here. A single LED is over here. If you don't connect, if you don't connect these two LEDs in a series, and if you place a single LED, then what will happen? Let me pull the switch up. It will glow like this. It won't flash, nothing will happen. It will glow like this, as if it is a joule thief. But if you connect these LEDs in series, then uh, these LEDs will keep on glowing. Basically, a full day charge of these solar cells to these capacitors. If uh, I just light this LED up, it goes off in around 2 to 3 hours, but if I turn the switch down and make these LEDs light, then uh, I think the capacitor doesn't discharge at all. It doesn't discharge at all. And by the way, the thing, this chip, as what you were saying over here, uh, it is disconnected. It is basically QX5252 of solar garden light circuit type connection, but it is not working here. The main diagram which I have drawn over here, this thing is direct implementation of this circuit. So please make it one for yourself and do let me know how it fared. Okay guys, time to sign off. Do like, subscribe and share, and keep doing DIY stuff, right? Bye.